Okay, number 3, we can't remain comfortable. We have to shift our inner energy by doing uncomfortable actions. A feeling of stuck is an energy. That's what stuck is. It's the idea in your conscious mind, going down to your subconscious mind, keeping that feeling of feeling stuck, okay? It's an energy that you're in. Or whenever I've been stuck, it's because the energy I've been in. In order to shift the energy, the easiest way to do it is by doing things that make you extremely uncomfortable. Now, is that easy to do? No. But it's the easiest way to relieve yourself from these stuck feelings within, is doing something very uncomfortable. Let's go back here. I'll go back through that. That was the post I had today. Okay. So I want you to think through maybe 1 or 2 things that you could do that's uncomfortable this week. Now, we've talked about this in the past. Okay. 1 or 2 things that can make you extremely uncomfortable that you could do this week, that you'll commit to. Now, uncomfortable is a feeling. Stuck is a feeling. What's the difference here? Uncomfortable is an experience of a vibration that you are not used to. So you feel uncomfortable doing the thing. You have not done it before. It's a new energy within. That's why if you get on stage the very first time, you feel like very, whoa, if you're not used to talking in front of people, you feel very full of anxiety and uncomfort, and you're a little shaky, a little bit crazy, right? What goes on? It's a feeling. You have never done that thing before. It's a feeling of uncomfort because it's a vibration to a different level. You have not lived there before. That's what uncomfortable means. Having that understanding, you'll do all the things that make you uncomfortable because you know you're going to significantly grow. Progress comes from that uncomfortness. If we keep doing what we're doing, things will remain the same. Those could be great things. So things could be remaining the same and you're okay with it because they're doing so well. But if you want things to progress faster, you want to get a little bit more unstuck, we have to start doing things that are uncomfortable that will allow us to move forward. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. So I'm going to ask you and encourage you to put in 1 thing that you'll do this week that will make you highly uncomfortable and put it into the chat box. If it's personal, you don't have to share it, of course. Never ask that. But I always encourage you, commit to 1 thing that you're going to do that's very uncomfortable this week. What's that going to be for you? Jim and Lorraine, that's perfect. Autism presentation to the public on Sunday. Go on and talk to new people. Armando says, love it. How many people? Just define that. I would definitely give yourself, because then you don't know if you accomplished it, if you actually did it during the week, if you talked to 1 person, or 1 person off the phone, what does that look like for you? Define it will give you a little bit better of a measure if you did it or not. Who else? Who else we got there? What are you going to do that's uncomfortable for you? Business-wise, for sure, and then if a personal one as well. Susan, sharing my book with family on Saturday at family dinner, probably going to be very uncomfortable. Art, pitching your show idea. Love it. The more pitches you do, it's probably going to be, I would assume that things just start to motor because you feel so comfortable. It's like the same thing when somebody talks to you. It's like this program or anything else. Very first couple of conversations I had was a little uncomfortable, right? Because I've never done something exactly like that. Or a phone conversation with a friend, if it's something that you've never talked about before, right? It's very uncomfortable. But if you keep doing that thing, it's fine. First time you walk into the gym and you've never been to that gym before, you kind of feel out of place. You feel like everyone's looking at you. Like, oh, this is a new guy, even though they probably have no idea that you're new, okay? But you go there every day. It feels like home. Why does it feel like home? Because you've been there. You're comfortable doing it, okay? Same thing as everything else. Bring my price point to the marketplace and approach at least 5 people. Love it, Nick. Jim, I would give you same encouragement I did for Armando. You said follow up with potential customers. What does that mean for you? Is that sending a message? Yeah, probably a little uncomfortable. But what about getting in front of somebody? How many people do you want to get in front of? What does that look like for you?